जय हिंद एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज से हम इस चैनल पर हर रोज मॉर्निंग में एक टॉपिक का सुपर फास्ट रिवाइज करेंगे क्योंकि टाइम कम है, एग्जाम पास है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हु रोट अर्थशास्त्र? कौटिल्य। हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ मौर्य एम्पायर? चंद्रगुप्त। व्हिच सिटी वाज द कैपिटल ऑफ मौर्यस? पाटलिपुत्र। हु वाज द फर्स्ट गुप्त रूलर? चंद्रगुप्त वन। व्हिच वाज द एंशिएंट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ नालंदा बिल्ट बाय कुमारगुप्त? Which religion was preached by Buddha? Buddhism. Who founded Jainism? Mahavir. What was the real name of Mahavir? Vardhaman. Who was the last Mauryan ruler? Brihadratha. Who killed Brihadratha? Pushyamitra. Which dynasty did Pushyamitra start? Sunga. Which city was capital of Ashoka? Patliputra. Who was the famous ruler of Kusanas? Kanishka. Which council was held by Kanishka? Fourth. Which dynasty built Ajanta caves? Bhaktak. Script was used in Ashoka inscription. Brahmi. Which was the first Tamil kingdom? Chola. Which Chola king built Brihadshwar temple? Rajaraj. Which Gupta ruler started the Gupta era? Chandragupta I. Who is called Napoleon of India? Samudragupta. Which Mauryan ruler embraced Buddhism? Ashoka. Who was Ashoka's father? Bindusar. Who was the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya? Chanakya. Who is called the father of surgery? Sushruta. Who is the author of Meghaduta? Kalidasa. Which temple is the finest example of Chola architecture? Brihadshwar. Who is called the father of medicine? Charaka. Which river was sacred in Vedic period? Saraswati. Who was the last great Mughal ruler? Aurangzeb. Which ruler defeated Hars? Pulikesan II. Who was the court poet of Harsha? Banabhatta. Which book was written by Banabhatta? Harsha Charitra. Who built the iron pillar in Delhi? Chandragupta II. Which Gupta ruler defeated the Shakas? Chandragupta II. Which dynasty did Harsha belongs to? Pushyabhuti. Which Mauryan king was a follower of Jainism? Chandragupta. Who composed Panchatantra? Vishnu Sharma. Who wrote Arthashastra? Kautilya. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? Gopal. Which temple is known as the Black Pagoda? Konark. Who was the founder of Rashtrakuta dynasty? Dantidurg. Who built the Kailash temple at Ellora? Krishna I. Who was the famous astronomer of Gupta period? Aryabhatta. Who wrote Surya Siddhant? Varahamihira. Which empire patronized Buddhism the most? Maurya. Who composed Gita Govinda? Jayadeva. Which city was the capital of Chalukyas? Badami. Who was the last Nanda ruler? Dhanananda. Who defeated Dhanananda? Chandragupta Maurya. Which Vedic god is known as the god of fire? Agni. Who is known as the mother of Indian Revolution? Bhikaji Kama. Who introduced Persian as court language in India? Akbar. Which was the earliest capital of Magadha? Rajgir. Who was the founder of Magadha Empire? Bimbisar. Who killed Bimbisar? Ajatasattu. Who built the Sanchi Stup? Ashoka. Which was the famous port of Cholas? Kaberipatnam. Which India king defeated Seleucus Nicator? Chandragupta. Who wrote Indica? Megasthenes. Who introduced the coin system in India? Indo-Greeks. Who was the first ruler to issue gold coins? Kusanas. Who was called Vikramaditya? Chandragupta II. Which Gupta ruler patronized Kalidasa? Chandragupta II. Who wrote Mudra Rakshasa? Visakha Dutt. Which Indian ruler defeated Alexander General? Paurus. Which Greek ambassador visited Chandragupta Maurya? Megasthenes. Which dynasty ruled after the Mauryans? Sunga. Who was founder of the Satavahana dynasty? Simuka. Who wrote Rajatarangini? Kalhara. Who was the last Hindu king of Delhi? Prithviraj Chauhan. Which battle was found in 1192? Tarin. Who founded the Vijayanagar Empire? Harihara. Which book was written by Amir Khusro? Tughlaqnama. Who introduced Iqta system? Iltutmish. Who was the first female ruler of Delhi? Razia Sultana. Which dynasty ruled after the Tughlaqs? Said. Who founded the Mughal Empire? Babur. Which Mughal ruler built the Taj Mahal? Shahjahan. Which Mughal emperor was known as the Jinda Pir? Aurangzeb. Who was the last Mughal ruler? Bahadur Shah II. Who was the founder of Sikhism? Guru Nanak. Who wrote Aini Akbari? Abul Fazal. Who was the first ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Qutbuddin Aibak. Who built Qutub Minar? Iltutmish. Which dynasty started the Delhi Sultanate? Slaves. Which empire built Hampi? Vijayanagara. Who was the last ruler of Vijayanagara? Sriranga III. Who built the Red Fort? Shahjahan. Which battle ended the Mughal rule? Plassey. Who defeated Siraj Udaulah? Clive. Was the first Governor General of India? Warren Hastings. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Canning. Which year did India get independence? 1947. Who was the first President of India? Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first Prime Minister? Nehru. Which civilization is the oldest in India? Indus Valley. Who discovered Harappa? Dairam Sahani. Who discovered Mohenjo-daro? R.D. Banerjee. Which script was used in Indus Valley? Undeciphered. Which metal was first used by humans? Copper. दोस्तों ये थी आज हिस्ट्री का 100 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस फॉर एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग। अगर ये वीडियो आपको इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा है तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। मिलते हैं कल मॉर्निंग में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।